Good morning, and welcome to the daily 10-minute meditation. Sorry if I confused anyone by jumping to a different part of Facebook. Usually you say, on the advice of my attorney, and you do something that doesn't make sense. This was on the advice of the marketing team that Chris and I have. So we're just doing what they say. Let's get started. We are going to focus this week on emotional blocks. I loved some of the shares you guys sent me, mostly personal, not online, about the miracles you had last week. And it's fine if you don't want to share online, I get it. Anybody wants to share, that'd be great. But we're going to focus on emotional blocks. Why? Because they are a major component that gets in the way of miracles and other graces that are just waiting to come to us. So let's get started. We're going to do what we always do, prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. If you know it, say it with me. If not, please say it after me. Protection's number one. A very simple guided meditation into a place where we can sit and just be with this clearing that we are requesting and being open to more miracles and more blessings. We close after the silent period. There's a little chime so I don't jolt you. And we close with the 23rd Psalm. Let's get started. Take a deep breath and close your eyes and invite yourself to relax. Take another deep breath and relax even further. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Take another deep breath, and as you blow out slowly, just blow out any tension that's in your body. Scan your body with your mind's eye, and if there's any tightness someplace, invite it to relax and let go. Sometimes squeezing that muscle for a moment and releasing helps it to relax even further. Let us bring our attention to the top of our head and our third eye, on our forehead just between our eyebrows. In those two places you might feel movement. That is where we continuously are being fed divine energy from above. And we're going to follow this trail of divine energy as it flows through our body. We're going to pay attention to where it is. Let us watch now and feel as it fills our head. And notice that your spirit starts to loosen up and become light. It flows into your neck, almost like you're becoming spread out. There's almost like two of you, your spirit and your physical you, connected but separate. Into your chest, into your trunk, your arms and your hands. Feel the slight separation of spirit and physical, connected always, but distinct. Into our seat and legs, our ankles and feet, and back out. This separation is just identifying the different parts of us. the physical, the spiritual, and the mental. Now that we've distinguished the spiritual, floating just above us, just in front of us, let us distinguish the emotional body. Let us go through our body again with the stream coming from the divine, and notice that to our right starts to form another you that's just kind of pulling away from the physical and the spiritual. It is not separate, it is part of the whole. It is the emotional body. Let us start with our head and feel the separation into our neck, our chest, arms and hands, trunk, seat, legs, feet. Now from the place of awareness, you see you have a physical, spiritual, and emotional body. Let us bring our hands up in our mind and embrace the emotional body and love it unconditionally and accept all the graces coming through to help heal anything that is blocking the emotional body from being free and serving us fully. Hug this emotion of this emotional body and just be with a loving embrace. Whatever emotions come up for you, just continue to send a loving embrace to your emotional body. Your focus is to love it. Now feel all three bodies, physical, spiritual, and emotional, breathing themselves back into the whole, into one, stepping in fully to your physical self as we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Have a great day, guys. I hope you found that interesting. We are three parts, but we are really one, and we can separate them to help us heal different sections. So we will get more into the healing of the emotional body as we go through the week. In the meantime, have an awesome day. Bye.